What is up, everyone? This is Jack Jordan, and today I'm going to be showing you my new awesome Silverhawks stronghold. So this is from the actual show cartoon Silverhawks. Comment down below if you ever seen the cartoon Silverhawks. Okay, so we're going to be checking this guy out. So you can hold him right here. His mouth opens like that. And this button right here, not only it flaps its wings, but it also makes the talons do that. So say if you had a Silverhawks buzzsaw, so you like put him on the ground, and then Stronghold comes and then grabs him. So that's why they call him an attack bird. And it's humongous. Look at that. I'm looking at you. And it also has some blue wings, and its talons are like some sort of orange. His eye looks pretty cartoony. I'm gonna eat you. And his mouth is pink. No, don't eat the camera. Okay, let's get it out of the mouth. That was gross. Got slobber on this thing, Stronghold. You got slobber on this thing. What have you been eating? Worms? Duh. I'm a hawk. And also, sorry. Okay, so, and also, I actually don't know what this button does. I think that makes him screech. At least it used to. Maybe I might try unscrewing that. I might see what happens. There might be batteries there. But anyway, I was about to tell you, his head can get pushed in and out like an actual hawk. Like an actual hawk wouldn't actually do that, but an actual hawk would definitely have his. He actually looks kind of weird. Flapping. I actually don't know what kind of company this is from. Let go! Okay, he's taking us to the nest. Boom! Thank you for dropping us. Okay, so anyway, I'm gonna try the screws. But right on the tail feather, let me zoom in. If you can see this, let me turn him on. His wing is blocking it. Okay, 1987. I have no idea what that says, but I don't know. Made in Mexico. So this was made a long way away. But we only bought it on like last Wednesday. Last Wednesday. I think that's last Wednesday, the 12th. Yeah, May the 12th. So, well, I only got this on May 12th. I have a caliber here. Okay, so I only got that on May 12th. And today's the 19th. So that means I didn't get him like that far. He just came today. Dude, why does he keep knocking down the camera? I think it's a worm or something. I might carry you off. Dude, Stronghold, let go of the camera. I need to finish this video. Yeah, right. Dude, I'm blowing out of battery. You're breaking the battery. You're getting schmutz on the screen. Sorry.
Stronghold. I'm sorry about that. Stronghold just came here and he's already an attack bird. He's even... Look how big he is compared to this King Kong poster. That's pretty big. Pretty long, too. I just had a train set up and I had him in it.
Flap, 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 flap.
Flap, flap. Ow! Gosh! It's feathers. Oh, and he also has, like, real feathers. Like, there's bumps on here. Anyway, that's really cool. She also has these, like, they kind of look like stabbers. Those might be his claws or the talons. I noticed it looks kind of mechanical with the talons. He looks kind of weird when he closes his eyes. But you gotta admit, his eyes are pretty cool. When he closes his mouth, I mean. And inside there, I might have mentioned this, but inside there, it looks pink. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Add some comments. Click on the comment down below again. Have you ever watched Silverhawks when you were a little boy or now? And subscribe to my channel, Jack's World. Subscribe. Bye. Andy! Oh no!